Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mock 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to find Bybit wallet address. So if you also want to find your Bybit wallet address, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open your Bybit application. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to find your Bybit wallet address for any kind of cryptos, what you have to do is tap on the deposit option that you can see on your screen right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is select any crypto of your choice. You can see the cryptos over here, or you can also search for the cryptos. Simply tap on the search bar that you can see right over here on the top of the screen. Now type in the name of the crypto of your choice. Here I'm typing in BTC. Now you'll be able to see the option for your crypto over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to choose a chain type. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see the QR over here. And right below it, you'll be able to see a wallet address. If you want to copy it, simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right next to the address. Now you can use this address if you want to deposit any kind of crypto in your wallet. All you have to do is paste this wallet address in the address section. So that is how you find Bybit wallet address. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.